Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlogs. But today it is Saturday and it is a cleaning day and getting shit together day. Starting off with cleaning my room mainly, deep cleaning the apartment. It is a pink world. Also, my outfit for today is Skims. I have this Skim sweatshirt and this Skim sweatpants. Alright, this has taken me longer than I anticipated. It is 1 o'clock, 12:30. I'm almost done, as you can see. This is to go under my bed, and then I need to do my bed and I'll be good. I have to figure that out, but that's not too bad. Why am I out of breath? I wanted to go to my leggings drawer because I have a lot of leggings that I don't use, especially from Aerie. They're size medium, so they don't fit me and they don't stay on. So I think I'm gonna try and sell them. I think they're in good quality to be able to be resold. I have so many size medium, but these are large. I have these little cubicles here that I added, and I'm gonna put them here so I have more space. I still have like two. Maybe I can put purses. Oh my god, I can do purses down here. Let's see if they fit. I didn't know where I was gonna put these. Oh, I'm so excited. The bigger ones are not gonna fit, so I can put them here. Yay! My closet is done. Oh my god, the sun is beaming. My closet. I'm a little bit sad that these bins are not as organized as they used to be at my other place, but I feel like this looks pretty good. It looks so cute. I'm missing the artwork up there. We'll get some. Hey everyone, I cleaned the living room area. That's how it looks. Nice and clean. Of course, I need to put that away. I'm still working on that, but as you can see, the sun came out. Very excited. I'm gonna try and take some pictures now that everything's clean. My room is clean, the living room is clean. The bathroom, that's not happening today. I can tell you that right now. I'm already tired. I think I did enough for today, but I think everything turned out really good. My room looks very nice and clean. I cleaned everything. Love that. Living room, you guys already saw. This is like the only part of my apartment that's messy. I need to put this away. The clothes that I need to sell. And then I actually did clean the table that I was complaining that it was always messy unintentionally. Let me just get it out of the frame. But that looks pretty clean. I didn't took a before picture, but I am very happy how everything turned out. I don't know if I talked about this before, but this bathroom Doesn't have any windows, and it doesn't have a ventilator. I don't know how they forgot to do that. So candles are like the way to go in my opinion. I cut my hair the other day, so there's like hair all over the bathroom, which is why I said the bathroom is like a whole nother beast to tackle. This is a vibe. It is a little bit messy, but for the most part, like pretty organized. Cute. It is currently 2:35. My neighbor is playing the piano, and the wind is flowing in, which is so nice. Hopefully it's not flowing in dust. So I'm glad that I was able to finally clean it and vacuum and put everything into place. I am gonna be mopping tomorrow because it's definitely needed, especially on the kitchen area. No! Ew! That's why I have to eat them now. Oh, they're going bad. Oh my god, look at all these.